Welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll see how to make perfect protein bowl and Thai green curry with chicken. There's no time to waste, let's dive in. Recipe 1. Perfect protein bowl. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked quinoa, 4 ounces grilled chicken breast, sliced, half a cup steamed broccoli florets, half a cup sliced cucumbers, a quarter cup shredded carrots, a quarter cup cherry tomatoes, halved, a quarter cup sliced avocado, 2 tablespoons hummus, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, salt and pepper to taste. Lemon wedges for serving, optional. Instructions: 1. In a bowl, arrange the cooked quinoa as the base. 2. Top the quinoa with grilled chicken slices, steamed broccoli florets, sliced cucumbers, shredded carrots, cherry tomatoes, and sliced avocado. 3. Spoon the hummus over the ingredients. 4. Sprinkle sesame seeds on top. 5. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 6. Squeeze some fresh lemon juice over the bowl if desired. 7. Toss everything together gently before enjoying. Recipe 2. Thai green curry with chicken. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon Thai green curry paste, 1 can, 14 ounces, coconut milk, 1 cup chicken broth, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 red bell pepper, sliced, 1 green bell pepper, sliced, 1 cup sliced mushrooms, 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken breasts, sliced, 1 cup fresh basil leaves, juice of 1 lime, cooked rice or noodles for serving. Instructions: 1. Heat the vegetable oil in a large skillet or wok over medium heat. 2. Add the green curry paste and stir fry for about 1 minute until fragrant. 3. Pour in the coconut milk and chicken broth. Stir well to combine. 4. Add the fish sauce and brown sugar, and stir until dissolved. 5. Add the sliced red and green bell peppers, mushrooms, and chicken slices to the skillet. 6. Simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes until the chicken is cooked through and the vegetables are tender. 7. Stir in the basil leaves and lime juice. Cook for an additional 2 minutes. 8. Serve the Thai green curry over cooked rice or noodles. Enjoy your healthy and delicious meals. For more like this, subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.